Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Disk Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to talk to Bixby without waking up your screen in your Samsung Smart Monitor. At first, scroll to left where all your options are and here scroll to settings. Open that and click all settings here. Here scroll down to the advanced features and scroll down to voice. Here scroll down to Bixby settings and it will direct us to the Bixby settings here. Now in the voice wake up section we have to scroll down almost all the way to talk to Bixby without wake up. You can keep giving commands one after another or when a notification pops up without having to call Bixby each time. We can turn it off or turn it on. As you can see, separate commands are tone and volume control turn up, volume down, notifications OK, cancel. And that's how it works. Goodbye!